So this is us going camping for 2 nights.
Show it to me, Mum. Show it to me.
2 nights. Things are falling out. Lacey's got all the toys.
Where do I put these?
Necessary box of beer. And yeah, this is where we're going to sleep tonight. See you later. The road to our campsite. Just a trek. Look at that purple sky. This is Goomeri bush camp. It's well cool. You getting the tent out late, Charlie? So we've just got to Goomeri bush camp. Apparently it's one of the quirkiest festivals in Queensland. Tomorrow it's the pumpkin festival in Goomeri, and that's why it's so busy. So the bush camp is packed. It's huge, acres of farmland, and it's so cute. That's where we're sleeping tonight. Martin's just setting it up for us. Thanks, Martin. So we've been doing this now for the past hour.
Probably should have had a trial run.
Yeah, we probably should have had a trial run. We've give up. Martin's just trying to get some food on the go. But yeah, we kind of give up on the tent bit. It's supposed to have an awning on the side, but we're not sure how it goes. So yeah, this is literally back to basics. Trying to eat something today. Kids are over there playing with a torch. We probably should have trialled all this at home. We actually don't know how to connect the gas.
I've got it.
So I've got the instructions. It's pitch black. Martin's got his head torch on. Why do I have these ideas? Go! Oh. Night one of car camping account. So we had a block mattress. The block mattress must have a hole in it because it's gone down. It went down about 2 o'clock in the morning. So me and Charlie are currently lay on hard plastic back of the car seats. Hard plastic. I've currently got a plastic bar in my back. It's not very comfy at all. Between about 2 and 4 o'clock. It got so cold. So yeah, I've got blankets. Charlie's got a lovely sleeping bag. But yeah, it was pretty cold. How was your first night camping, Lacey?
Good.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Lacey was in the tent, weren't you, at the top?
Mhm.
Lovely and warm in your sleeping bag. The boys have just gone and got water for our kettle so we can have a brew. So this morning, with a clear ahead, we finally did it. Although we've not got any pegs. With the help of YouTube, we worked out how to put the annex on. So yeah, looking good.